All right, Flawless is officially sold out. We'll be breaking it right after this Prizm mixer. What's going on, everybody? Conrad here from MojoBreak.com on Wednesday, January 15, 2020 to do another 18-19-20 NBA Prizm Explosion 5-box mixer. This is a random team style break number 5 of this mixer. Let's go random out to determine all your teams. Good luck. First, we're going to roll the virtual dice on random.org to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, it would have fought to 3 randoms. And we're going to go 4 times on the random for this one. All right, we got all teams in, 30 spots total. We're going to go 4 times for your teams. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Warriors, Golden State Warriors down to the Indiana Pacers. That's 4 times. Alright, now we're going to go 4 times in the random for your names to match it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Martin down to Brian on the bottom. Brian S. 4 times like we just did for your teams. Alright, here are your teams, everybody. 5 minutes to trade, and then we'll rip. All card ship in this one. No hustle credits, but you'll get all your base. Boom. Woo! Brian got the Pelicans and the Mavs. Good luck, Brian.